Oh, so now it's Iran's turn. After they butchered Palestine, flattened Gaza, dropped white phosphoros on schools, hospitals, mosques after they turned entire families into fucking ashes. Now they want to bomb Tehran too. And guess what? The whole world sits and watches like obedient fucking dogs. Ukraine sneezes, and suddenly the whole Western media cries. NATO gets hard ons, and billion-dollar aid starts raining from the sky. But Palestine, babies burned alive, women screaming under rubble, children writing wills before bed, and no one gives a fuck because it's not about humanity. It's about skin color and politics. Yemen is starving for 10 fucking years. Saudi led airstrikes have turned markets, weddings, schools into bloodbaths. Babies drink dirty water, hospitals have no electricity, kids are eating fucking leaves to survive. Syria, bombed from every side. Assad, Russia, US, ISIS, Israel. Pick your poison. Millions displaced, millions forgotten. Lebanon, economy in shambles, Israeli drones buzzing 24 by 7, and every few months they test missiles like it's a fucking video game. And now Iran, independent, defiant, refusing to bend over. And guess what? That makes them the next target. And what are our leaders doing? Assimilate. You wear a fucking uniform and call yourself a soldier of Islam. You lead the sixth biggest army on the planet. Sit in your polished GHQ. Talk about Islamic values, but when your brothers and sisters are being slaughtered, you act like a mute coward. You issue statements like a bureaucrat while kids in Gaza scream for help. You are sitting on fucking nukes, but can't even launch a fucking tweet that matters. Are you a general or a goddamn coward in uniform? You think Allah won't ask you? You think hiding behind silence will protect your soul? You failed Pakistan. You failed the Ummah. You failed as a man. Shehbaz Sharif, you imported spineless boot polishing puppet. You are not a prime minister. You are a fucking manager placed to babysit a colony. You could not run a sugar mill. Now you are running a country. You bow to IMF, you beg to the West. You kiss the boots of those funding genocide and dare to call it foreign policy. You let the US use our airspace. You shut your mouth when Israel slaughters innocents. You have no honor, no balls, and no spine. If Jinnah saw what Pakistan became, he did weep. Now let's talk about the Arab leaders, the biggest hypocrites to ever walk this earth. Sitting on trillions, bathing in oil money, building gold plated palaces while Palestinians get carpet bombed. Mohammed bin Salman, you party with Zionists, sign defense deals with Israel, and fund Hollywood movies, but you can't lift a fucking finger for Masjid Al-Aqsa. You think your throne will protect you from the wrath of Allah.
UAE, you build islands for luxury.
Host Zionists like royalty, but say nothing about Palestinian blood. Every single one of you is a fucking disgrace. Traitors, you don't deserve the title of Muslim. You sold Jerusalem for power, oil, and Western approval. And now, let's talk about Donald fucking Trump. Mr. I love Muslims, Mr. America first, Mr. End the wars. You lying piece of controlled opposition trash. You suck up to Zionist. Kiss Netanyahu's ass. You hand Jerusalem to Israel like a birthday gift. Then come on TV pretending to be some anti-war hero. You are not anti-establishment. You are the establishment. You used Muslim sympathy like a snake, talked peace while drone bombing Syria, sanctioned Iran, assassinated Soleimani like it was some fucking game. You are a fraud, a sellout, and the biggest fucking puppet in the room. You were never for the people. You were for the lobby, for elite, for the ones who profit off Muslim blood. So here's the truth. The world doesn't care about Muslim lives. Our leaders are cowards. The Arab world is sold. And we, the people, are waiting for someone to save us when the only savior is ourselves. You don't need armies to fight. You need courage. You need unity. You need rage. You need to stop being comfortable while others are buried alive. Because if we stay silent, if we keep smiling, eating, shopping, and posting TikToks while Gaza, Yemen, Syria, Lebanon burn, then we deserve everything coming our way. And let me remind you, Allah is watching and His justice doesn't miss.